How to adjust text size on TikTok. This can be useful if you find the text too small and hard to read, for example. So let's start it on our profile page. Then, in the top right corner, tap on the icon with 3 horizontal lines. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. On the Settings and Privacy page, scroll all the way down to the Content and Display section. Then, at the very bottom, tap on Accessibility. At the very top, you'll see a menu item called Text Size. Let's go ahead and tap on that. Now here, using this little slider on the bottom, you can adjust the text size up. So let's do that. That's the first one. That's even bigger, and that's the largest. And you can see the preview here to see how big it'll look on your screen. Once you've made your choice, go ahead and just tap on the Adjust button at the very bottom. On the confirmation, tap on Adjust. Now the app will crash. It'll go back to your screen, but you'll see when you go to reload that the text is very much bigger now. So I'm just going to show you an example menu. And there we go. That's all there is to it. If you want to change it again, just go back to that same menu and turn it back.